We are now leaving, little by little. We are now leaving, little by little, for that land of silence and of grace. Maybe I'll be packing up quite soon. These mortal things I've kept in place. Dear birchwood groves, how I love you. You the earth and you wide fields of sand. Standing here before this host departing, I cannot hide the aching in my heart. I have loved too much in this world, all that wraps the soul in flesh and form. Peace to the aspens, stretching out their branches, staring at the rosy water, still and warm. Many thoughts in silence I have pondered, many songs I've quietly composed, and upon this gloomy, stubborn earth, I am happy just to breathe and have existed. Happy that I kiss the lips of women, crush the flowers rolled in summer grass, and the beasts are younger, smaller brothers I have never struck upon the head. I know there are no blooming groves out there, no rye that sings with swan-like curving neck. That is why, before this host departing, I am always shaken by a trembling dread. I know that in that distant final country, there will be no fields in dusk of gold. That is why the people here are precious, those who live beside me on this world.